And we move on to news coming in from Karnataka, where Neha Hiremata, 23-year-old first-year student, was stabbed 7 times by a former student of the college, Fayaz. Cops suspect that he murdered her because she rejected his advances. The murder has now become the latest flashpoint between BJP and the Congress. But even as the politics continues to rage on, anger is only simmering. And for more on this, I'm being joined by my colleague Prajwal Prasad. Prajwal, of course, this is now turning into a major face-off. Also, the BJP is going to stage a statewide protest in Karnataka. Even what we understand is that the Muslim groups are going to observe Bandh today. All right, we seem to have lost that connection. There's an audio issue with Prajwal. We'll try and reconnect and get you more inputs from Ground Zero. But right now, we'll get you the reaction of the victim's father. Republic TV spoke to Neha's father, Niranjan Hiremat. Listen in as he continues to fight for justice.
हमने सबके साथ ये रखा है, सब अच्छा रिलेशनशिप रखा है, तो ये हम सोचा ही नहीं है. ये इंटरनली टारगेट करके अपना जो भी मेरा बेटे का इतना सोशल रहने से, बहुत सोशल घर में हो, मेरा बिजनेस में हो, उसको फॉलोअप किया उन्होंने. बोल्ड से रहती थी वो, कभी भी इस चीज में.
क्या सर आप डायरेक्टली आरोप लगा रहा है ये लव जिहाद का केस है?
इसमें अभी मेरे को पीछे मालूम नहीं था. अभी जितना भी जो आ रहा है ना, वो सिम्टम्स तो मेरे को ऐसा ही लग रहा है. इसके लिए ये पुलिस का काम है, इसमें बहुत बड़ा काम है. अभी एक दिन में, ये 4 दिन में नहीं होने का काम है. चलो 6 महीना साल भर का नहीं है.
लोग भी शामिल हैं इसमें?
इतने एक आदमी नहीं है इसमें, बहुत सारे लोग आ रहे हैं.
इसको पता है कौन है?
मेरे को अभी मैंने 3 आदमी हुबली का नाम दिया है. उसका पिताजी अभी बाइट दे रहे हैं. अभी उसका पिताजी भी उसने बोला है कि बहुत दिन से मैं जानता था नेहा को. कैसा जानता है वो? कैसा जानता है? एक स्टूडेंट को, चलो उसका बेटे का फ्रेंड है, वो पहचाने, ठीक है. उसको बात करने का क्या रिलेशन है? क्यों बात कराया है ना? वो छोटी लड़की, उसको क्या संबंध है? दूसरा लड़की का, चलो अच्छा है नया, ठीक है, अच्छा पढ़ा करो, इतना बोलना है. लेकिन सारा सिम्टम्स जो बात बोल रहे हैं ना, तो वो सारे जितने भी है, तो वो सारे तुम लोग प्रवोक करने के लिए काम किया है. उनका वो भी टीचर है, उसका माँ भी टीचर है, वो भी बयान देती है कि वो बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स थे करके. उसके बाद उसको कन्वर्ट हुआ करके. कन्वर्ट कौन कराया? प्यार में कन्वर्ट किया करके बोल रहे. बेस्ट फ्रेंड में है, ऐसा प्रपोज कैसा करते? प्रपोज करवाया कौन है? तुमने उसको प्रवोक किया है. तुम्हारा बेटे को तुम दोनों ने मिलके और तुम्हारा बहन उस बेटी मिलके उसके साथ लगातार आपका चैटिंग चल रहा है. चलो आपका ये बयान के ऊपर ही मैं आ रहा हूँ, है ना. तुम क्या है भाई, तुम्हारा जाति अलग है, हमारे जाति अलग है. इतने लोग स्टडी कर रहे हैं हर कॉलेज में, कोई बच्चे बात करते क्या?
All right, my colleague Prajwal Prasad is joining us live from Bengaluru. We just heard the father of Neha. You know, he continues to fight for justice, but we also see a political face-off now brewing with the BJP calling for a statewide protest now, Prajwal, and also Muslim groups calling for a bandh.
Absolutely, Rakshita, and in fact we are out here in Hubballi where this murder had taken place at the Rani Chennamma circle, where the protest will go on. Now it will be a massive protest as well. Just going across and showing you the sort of security which has already been deployed. There are around 3 platoons of the KSRP which has been deployed as well, because shortly we'll be seeing Union Minister Prahlad Joshi as well as the BJP MLA for the Hubli Dharwad Central, Mr. Mahesh Tenginkai, leading a massive protest over here. It is expected that pro-Hindu organizations, around 1,000 people, will be joining in shortly, and it is expected to begin anywhere between 10:45 to 11. And this is not the only case with Hubballi. It will also go across the entire state of Karnataka in the district headquarters as well. So all said and done, all said and done now, we are looking at the sort of security arrangements in place as well. Some of the commercial establishments have also gone ahead and shut down today, and many of the Muslim groups are also coming out in huge numbers and saying that this particular case will have to be fast-tracked too. Because if this case is fast-tracked, only then Neha will get justice and such incidents will not recur again. And therefore, there will also be a candlelight vigil which will be held out by the Anjuman group as well, because certain areas also across Hubballi has been shut down too. And this shows the sort of solidarity that the entire district of Hubballi Dharwad has towards Neha as well, and they have stated that the government will have to fast track this case, Rakshita.
Right. All right. Thank you so much, Prabal, for joining us with those updates. We'll keep a track of that development coming in from Karnataka.